everyone, in this video we'll be solving the ninth problem of Project Euler. It will want us to figure out a special Pythagorean triplet where A is less than B and where C is more than B. And also if you square A and square B equals to C squared, and it also has to add up to be add up to become 1,000. So we're going to have to use C# for this because my Python solution was too slow. But if you want to use it, I will have it on my GitHub, which is in the description. So you want to get a console application, make sure it's C# and that's console. Next, and then we'll just call it Euler 9, and you can use whichever you want. I'll be using .NET 5.0. Now if we create it, okay, good. We can start coding. So first, we'll want to define some variables. So we're going to get a public static int num1. So this will be a number which we'll be testing to see if it's correct. Now we're going to have to do 1 because these will actually store the Pythagorean triplet, which is correct. So now that we define a few new variables, remember to define its type. We can we're gonna work on our main function. So now we're gonna so for this will iterate through the ones, and we're gonna only loop through up to 500 because it helps performance substantially, and also the other benefit than improving performance substantially is that that's actually, but make sure to add a 1 because C# also applies the rules for they subtract 1 through loops. Now we'll do the same with 2. Now that we've created the loops, we can start working on the actual code. Oops. Wait, that's not what we want. Num1 equals to 1, num2 equals to 2. It will make sure to add a semicolon on the end. Num3 equals 3. Now, unfortunately, we can't do this or syntax in C#, so I made my own custom function, which we'll add after. So now this will go through checks. Oops. So this first thing will check for this. Now we'll check for the next condition. Okay, so now Val check if this is true, but I also want to make sure that this is true. So, and that can be done both simply. So now that we have, now that I can check, might want to put a different line, and remember that if loops go in brackets. Oops. So yeah. Okay. So now that we've made it like the variables, we'll actually want to print out the answer once it's done. So now, the answer will be 1 times 2 times 3, because the product, because they want the product of A, B and C. Now to make the check function. So create integer 1, integer 2, integer 3. Now, if we create 3, we'll call that C2. Now, now one up. Now to end it, we'll return C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, and C6. So this basically checks if all these conditions are true. Now tap F5 to make a calculator. Now, wait a second and try it in there. Figure out. Ooh, wait, whoops. We're supposed to add zeros to these. If we try that again. So there might be a slight problem. Whoops. So now we have the answer, and now, if we have a look here, it is indeed correct. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next.